She's fun, it's my mind that's wrong. And I just let bad thoughts linger for far too long.
Like, look at this. Oh my gosh. The aura is emanating through the screen. The aura is emanating through the whole beach. Look at all the birds are over here because they felt her aura. And I was like, I have to be over here. Like, seriously. The aura over here is absolutely immaculate. And they're all just, now they're looking at the beach. They're too scared to look at you.
They're too scared?
Yeah, you're auraful, or you're too auraful. Your aura is too bountiful. So they're scared to turn over. That's crazy.
When I say change, I mean evolve. All my old friends, they just dissolve because they stayed on the same old shit. Just hang out off the smoke and this.
Top 3 desserts.
I'm not the type of guy, but I used to before I felt my high. But they came past, they don't know why. I'm not the same Steve they used to lie. I change, you change.
Ice cream sandwich. Banana pudding, number 1. 2, tres leche. 3, chunky chocolate chip cookies. The ones we had at the picnic. Those are really freaking good. Those are immaculate right here.
You know the fudge brownie ice cream too? I like that.
Fudge brownie ice cream?
Yeah, I like the chocolate ice cream with chocolate fudge.
I've never had that. I would be down to try that, low key. That just sounds weird. Wait, what happened? Oh, so every time it went black, I think it's because the thing was still right here, and I clicked it, like, to turn it back on, and it turned it off. Yeah, like it turned it off. And then, yeah. So it might have been my fault, actually. I'm playing. I'm playing. Don't listen to her. I'm playing. Huh? It's 4:30. Mark it. Dude, what? So why is time moving? You, oh my gosh, it's the same thing. Look, it says, I promise it's gonna say it's Ryan. The whole time it's, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm tired of the scam, bro. Block my number. It's gonna go back, but it's gonna be a different number.
That's weird.
Yeah. And it keeps on saying it's my friend Ryan from Coach City.
Is that
what? So why would you click this? Scottsdale. No, read it. Sorry, the barking spiders are literally here, guys. The barking spiders are here. Dude! Dude, the spiders are at the beach! The barking spiders are at the beach! What the heck? Come here, I'm scared! Please, I'm scared. I'm scared. The barking spiders are here. There's more, I think. I think there's more. No, I can't get more. I don't fart, it's a barking spider. I can't let your eyes see. Gonna be what it's gonna cut this. Don't come back around. No, never. Oh. It was so automatic, so you know I had to have it. But loving you was ooh, it's chilly. I tried my best to be worth all your while. You just gotta let me go as I'm trying to let go of you. I'm trying to see right now. I can't. Finger on my eyeball. know what I was talking about yesterday? Salvia. It's like a crazy drug. It's like the worst. And literally, people have hallucinations where there's one dude had an hallucination where he was literally a tree. He said for like 50,000 or 15,000 years, and like he lived his life as a tree. And then like another one, this dude lived his life like a whole other life for like he said 2 to 6 months as like an underwater like person, like someone underwater, living underwater. And he had a whole life, he had a wife and kids down there and everything. And then he came back to the hallucination. But in real life, it was only like minutes. But the hallucination was like, he actually felt like it was like 2 to 6 months. The what? What song?
It's like name.
Salvia? Probably.
I think it's name.
It's Salvia.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, you're thinking Stativa?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what Stativa is.
Is that another drug?
It could be. That's not my password. Should I change my password right now?
I don't know.
No, I think Stativa's like a brain thing.
A brain one?
A brain thing. Stud. How do I spell it?
I think it's just Sativa, not Sativa.
Oh, maybe it is another drug. Yeah, it is. Indica versus Sativa. This is like weed type drug. No, Salvia is way worse. Oh no, definitely. Frick. This stuff is way worse. Barking sweater. Barking sweater. Barking sweaters! Oh my gosh! The barking sweaters are out, bro. What are we ever gonna do? Oh my god. They literally follow us everywhere. That's so crazy. They follow you around too? Yes, they follow her around, guys. You not cold? I really. Oh. What's up, guys?
Yeah,
What's up?
you were caught.
I wasn't doing anything, bro. It's actually pretty warm. It's like a warm, like I feel cold, but then I get a what's it called? A sense of warmness, of warmth. I don't have a jacket, guys. Just told him I don't have. Oh, I have a jacket in the car. And I have pants in the car. They don't always. I'm good. Never mind. I'm good. Definitely. Oh, buddy. I think I set the thing to like only like until 5. I'm not trying to get a ticket. So you just said I had the freaking app. That's why I hate this thing. Watch. See?
You just said.
No, that was for LA. Watch this. Watch. I'm getting angry now. Watch. See, 'cause I'm gonna get angry now. Watch.
Yeah, you said.
20 minutes ago. Fries.
Were you ready to leave right now?
Huh? No.
Why are you saying
I don't know. I didn't know how long we're gonna be here. When do you think? And already I'm taking on my door. Hey guys.
Filling up inside, I'm feeling with doubts.
What's been there? Or it's been worse, bro. It's been worse. This was at, I think it's Cruz's graduation party.
Oh, that's cool.
Wait. No, it's graduation party in the yeah. Wait, like, see, I don't want this, bro.
Ew.
I'm raging
No,
muscle,
I hate that.
just
I hate
pushing
that.
out. Yeah, that's how I want to be.
Baby, it's good. It died.
You look like
What? But every time I flex, I want to look like I'm powering up. I'm just like this is my arm. Like when it's base, I want to be like basing like this, and then when I flex, it's like pulsing. That's the dream right there. I'm making a picture too. Watch. Mark it. September 23rd. Watch. Watch it. Okay? Here? Third, yes, third. Actually, no, but they don't be fast. And then from like September to December. You guys gain weight, guys.
I even tried to have
What did who said it? Some famous person say, believe. Believe. Block out all the haters in your life, guys. You don't freaking need them. You don't need none of the haters. You only need to surround yourself around people who have successful goals like you and believe in you. But some people don't believe in you, and some people are just evil. It's the people closest to you. It's the people closest to you. No, the people. Most of them are named. Most of them have an N and a Y and an L and an A in their name.
Okay, you have an N and an A.
And no, all 4 letters. And their middle name probably has the word shy in it. And it probably has the word Anna in it too.
Your middle name is
Alright, Anna, stupid. Huh? Elijah. Yeah.
Okay.
Get right. Yeah. Get right.
Stop!
What, bruh? You see, she just hit me, bruh.
It's so irritating.
Yeah, 'cause
Why would you do that?
I didn't even do nothing. Okay, I'm sorry. I was just playing. I'm sorry. I was just playing.
You're not trustworthy. I can't trust you. No more camera time.
No, please.
I turn off camera.
No.